Hello there, and welcome to today's project. Take a quick glance at the side of the truck. Keep that in mind, since we are going to go from that to this. How awesome is that? It's giving me some serious RoboCop Ed 209 vibes.
Ed 209.
Please put down your weapon. You have 20 seconds to comply.
So, I'll tell you where I got them from. We'll run through the installation process and everything else. Let's get going. These are the ones from testlaunch.net, and I have been on a spree getting some of their products, so definitely check them out, and their customer service has been awesome. No disrespect to any other companies, the other designs either had too many cyber logos or some were even rounded. When you have a sharp judo chopping truck, why would you go round? I don't know, not my favorite look. So I held out and waited for these. Super excited to get them installed. Let's begin. The big box will come with all these other ones that are nicely labeled. But before the grand opening, we will be raising the truck and setting everything up so we can be ready for the install. To raise the truck, super easy. Just go to the settings, press right height to high, and enjoy the ride. Now I'm going to get the brackets ready. So I'll be putting a pad down since I'll be working underneath the truck. And now that I see it raised, I am really thankful that this isn't the lowest setting, because I'd look like such a goof trying to hop into that thing. Since I'm just a little guy, so you should subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye. Am I using my mom's yoga pad for this? Maybe. Who knows? Okay, so we have the brackets laid out where they'll be getting installed. You'll have this big bag of bolts and spacers and washers. Then a 13mm wrench, but for the install, I'll be using my personal one. The bolt will be getting attached right underneath here. Super easy, let's get after it. We will be starting with this hole right here. We take the bolt, we grab the bracket, L is for the driver's side, then we slip it through its corresponding hole and attach it just like this. Piece of cake. Cake. Make sure you leave some wiggle room, and when we have everything else set up, we will come back and then fully lock everything into place. Now, we just have to repeat the process 4 more times. Well, technically 9, since we have to do the other side. But, this is how they'll be spaced out. Next step is placing the board on top of the bracket. Line it up. Then on to the final step, which is lining up the 2 holes. Attach the 2 bolts. And then tightening everything up. Then we'll be all done. So, at the end of it all, everything fit flawlessly. One side took me 26 minutes from beginning to end, and things are insanely sturdy. No cracking sounds or anything. I seriously could not be happier with these. Fantastic job by Test Launch. I truly believe that these are the best looking ones on the market. Must have if you're a Cybertruck owner. That's it for this one. I'll see you next time. Take care.